Wild and carefree, musically talented, songbirds are in great demand in Southeast Asia. While the tradition of keeping birds is regarded as a harmless pastime in the region, it is causing irreversible loss in biodiversity.
What made me very sad is actually I was walking in the forest. You should be able in the morning to hear all kinds of birds, and to be in this quiet forest was I think the saddest part for me, and I really thought that I would like to help.
Wildlife Reserve Singapore is involved in many conservation projects at Chickenanga, such as the breeding of critically endangered songbird species, the black-winged starlings.
Saya bangga sekali terlibat konservasi Gunung Halimun Salak. Kan di sini dulu udah punah di sini burung jalak putih, sekarang banyak kuayana didatangkan dari Cikananga. Kan di sini di Kampung Kopo udah punah, sekarang banyak, jadi berkicaunya itu bangga sekali.
To keep away poachers, Chickenanga employs nearby villages to protect the birds.
Waktu itu ada anak-anak lari-lari, bilangin ada pencurian burung. Terus saya sama anak-anak itu ngejar orang itu. Kebetulan betul itu jalak putih. Terus jalak putih itu dilepas lagi sama saya.
But the lure of easy money is hard to resist. A prized songbird can easily fetch $10,000, a princely sum for most Indonesians.
In these bird markets, they had wound on the leg, which means that they probably cut the rings. So it was a sad moment for us because we couldn't really identify our birds, even if we were pretty sure that it was our birds.